Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, students? I'm pretty good, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to learn a new number. We have already learned these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's see what comes next. It's 5. It's 5. Now let's see how to write number 5. Come down, make a big belly, and then make a big hat. See again. Come down, make a big belly, and make a big hat. Actually, 5 is fat and wearing a hat. It's 5. See once again. Start from dot. Come down, make a big belly. 5 is fat. Wearing a hat. Good job. Now let's see how many are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. It's 5. It's 5. Alright, students, you must have enjoyed the video. Now open your numbers book, page number 54. Look here. It's number 5. It's 5. 5 is too fat. Look at the belly of number 5. It's too big. 5 is fat. 5 is fat. And look at the snowman. The snowman is wearing a hat. Same as number 5 is wearing a hat too. 5 is fat and wearing a hat. Let's see how to write number 5. We will start from the dot. Come down and down. फिर हम 5 की big belly बनाएंगे. 5 is fat and then wearing a hat. Okay, students? Alright, now let's see how I'm going to write number 5. I'm going to start from the dot. Start from dot. Follow the arrow. Come down, down, down. अब हम 5 को फैट करेंगे. उसकी बिग बैली बनाएंगे. 5 is fat. अब हम उसको हैट पहनाएंगे. Wearing a hat. फिर से देखिए मैम ने कैसे लिखा. We have to start from the dot. 5 is fat. Wearing a hat. Alright, students? इस तरह से आपने भी अपनी बुक पे प्यारा सा 5 लिखना है. ठीक है? And what to do next? It's a snowman. हम snowman में अच्छे से colors करेंगे. ठीक है? Alright, now move to the next page. Here we have a beautiful hand as you have. Okay, let's count the fingers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers in our one hand. You can count your fingers too. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is number 5. 5 is fat, wearing a hat. Let's see what to do here. We have to trace all the number 5s and then we have to color the 5 fingers, okay? So, do you know how to write number 5? We have already learned how to trace number 5. I'm going to repeat just for you. So, look carefully. We'll start from the dot. Come down. 5 is fat. Wearing a hat. Good. See once again. Start from the dot. 5 is fat. It has a big belly like this. Wearing a hat. It's quite easy. Is it? Yes. So आप भी ऐसे 5 को अच्छे से ट्रेस कीजिए और उसके बाद 5 fingers में colors कर लीजिए. Alright? Good. Okay, now let's see what's next. Oh wow, here is a beautiful boy who is telling us the value of number 5. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is number 5. Alright students, now be careful. We have to write number 5 here without dots. Alright? As you know, it's quite easy, so we can write it easily. Just look carefully. We have to start from the dot. What to do first? Come down, down, down. Make a big belly because 5 is fat, like this. And then wearing a hat. It's quite easy. See once again, we have to start from the dot. Come down, down, down. 5 is fat now. 5 is fat, so make a big belly of number 5. It's a big belly. 5 is fat, wearing a hat. Easy है ना ये तो आपने मम्मा से कहना है कि आप मम्मा को खुद लिख के दिखाएंगे. हम कैसे लिखेंगे? हम डॉट से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Come down, make a big belly. 5 is fat, wearing a hat. ये तो बहुत आसान है और ये तो सब बच्चों को लिखना आता है ना? शाबाश. तो चलिए फिर हम मम्मा की हेल्प नहीं लेंगे, हम मम्मा को खुद से लिख के दिखाएंगे नंबर 5. Will you? That's like a good student. Alright, now we have an interesting game here. Do you want to see? Amazing! Here we have a beautiful number 5. And some fishes on it. Let's count how many fishes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 fishes here. And what to do here? We have to color all the fishes and then we have to find out where is number 5. Number 5 को हमने ढूंढना है and then we have to circle all the number 5s. Okay, so let's start. Where is number 5? Start from the right side. Where is number 5? Number 5, number 5. Here we have number 5. So what to do here? We have to circle it. Is there any other number 5? Look carefully. Here we have another number 5. So I'm gonna circle it too. Now let's see. Is there any other number 5? 5, 5. This is number 5. So circle the number 5 like this. And any other? Yes, this one. Circle. And we have circled all the number 5s. Right? Now it's your turn. Open your numbers book and complete your homework. Alright? Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.